Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing accessories for my GoPro Hero session. Just got this recently. Okay, so I got this for $12.99 plus free shipping with Amazon Prime because I wanted a way to use my GoPro with my stand, and I can't do that. My tripod stand, my gorilla stand. Oops, there goes my GoPro. Anyway, so I couldn't believe that you get all this for $12.99 plus free shipping. Okay, here we go. Comes with a pouch and there's a clip. So this is perfect if you're gonna clip it to your book bag or so. Easy to clip it in. And it has this thumb screw. Okay, next there's and this is what I really wanted to get for my GoPro, but when I was trying to order one, it was like under $10 for one of these guys. Probably get it for like 5 or 6, but for $12.99 I get to have all these accessories. And what it does, it allows you to mount your GoPro on any tripod. There you go. See that? Okay, so we got more belt buckle. It ships pretty quick if you're a Amazon Prime member. You get a 2-day free shipping. Here's another belt buckle. Get a certain angle. Wow, this is really cool. So let me show you how this thing works. So you just unscrew this, oops, then you put it on this guy here, and you get a different angle. I think this is good for like a car mount because it has that extra neck that you need. Oh, here's another one for like a car accessories or glass or windows to mount your GoPro on. This is really cool. And this is another very useful tool. This is a bicycle mount, and I like that it has its own screw there. So bicycle handle mount or any stick mount. Here's another a wrist mount. Cool. Just wrap it around your wrist. Check out my Fitbit. Okay, that's really cool. Another tripod mounting thing. This is extra. This is super cool because I get to share one with my daughter. Seems like they're the same size, you know. And what is this? It must be like the body strap. It is. It's a body strap. Oh, the head strap, like put on your head, or helmet strap. It's cool. And you get all this for less than 13 bucks. This is awesome. Hope you guys will be able to nab it at that price, but I think it's a good price. A lanyard attachment. This is nice, right? So let me see. I have to figure out how to attach this bad boy in. Put it back in a plastic bag till I can figure out how to put it together. And this must be the ultimate body strap for the GoPro, which this is really awesome when you're going hiking and things, or kayaking. And this is one of my favorite. If you're going to use your GoPro Hero session in the water, which you can, and it's waterproof, you can attach your GoPro to this, and it comes with its own thumb screw and a wristlet. It's awesome. This is a very, very good deal, and I'm glad I didn't have to get extra. I'm glad I chose this set instead of buying individual things that I need for my GoPro. Here's another. Oh, and this is an extended selfie stick. Oh, this is awesome. This is perfect for my GoPro because it's very light, and I can also use it with my Polaroid Cube and my Polaroid Cube Plus. You know, they came out before GoPro, and then GoPro came out with their own square version. You can see. If you guys want me to do a quick review on this, I sure will, and give you a comparison on the three. But thank you for watching, and that was the unboxing of GoPro accessories. I'll have the link below if you guys want to get your own set. Thank you.